Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Stranger acting in a contract. Stranger cannot act in a contract. As a general rule, only the parties to a contract can sue and be sued on that contract. This rule is referred as doctrine of Privity of Contract. A person who is not a party to a contract cannot sue upon it. Example: D, a tire company, sold its tires to its dealer T on the condition that the tires would not be retailed below D's list price, and anyone selling below the list price would pay D rupees 100 per tire. T sold some tires to a sub-dealer S, who retailed a few tires at a lower rate than the list price of D. D claims from S rupees 100 per tire undersold. D cannot recover as there is no contract between D and S. Exceptions: third party acting in a contract. Instances of stranger or third party acting in contract. As a general rule, stranger or a third party who is not a party to the contract cannot act in a contract. However, this rule is not applicable to a party having consideration. This means a person, though stranger to contract, but has an interest in the contract, who is not a party to the contract but has interest in the benefit of the contract, may also act in a contract like a party to the contract. This rule is referred as doctrine of privity of consideration is not required. Trust. In a trust, the beneficiary may enforce a contract though beneficiary is not a party to the agreement creating a trust. As the trust is created for beneficiary, the beneficiary is entitled to sue the trustee for the enforcement of duties of trustee, even though beneficiary is not a party to the agreement. Example: A agrees to B to transfer some property to B which B must hold as trustee for benefit of C, the beneficiary. Now, C can enforce the contract even if C is not party to the agreement. The agreement is between A and B. Marriage, party, family settlement. In marriage, partition or family settlement, the beneficiary may enforce a contract made in writing even though he may not be a party to such settlement. Example: A and B, two brothers, on partition of joint family property, agree between themselves to invest some money to support their mother. The mother may now enforce A and B to make the investment, though she was not a party to the agreement. The agreement of investment was between the two brothers A and B. Contracts of agency. Contracts entered into by agent is enforceable if done by agent on behalf of the principal within his authority. Example: A appoints B to sell his house, giving him a power of attorney. B makes contract with C to sell him the house on behalf of A. Held, the contract is valid if it is made by B within his authority, even if B does not get any commission or benefit out of the deal. Assignment of a contract. Assignment is the right transferred from one person, that is assigner, to another person, that is assignee, under Transfer of Property Act. After assignment, the assignee may exercise all the rights that the assigner previously could, that is assignee of life insurance policies, official assignee of liquidator, etc. Covenants. Covenants means previous owner of land in case of transfer of immovable property, the purchaser of land is bound by certain conditions or covenants with original landowner, though he is not a party to the original agreement of the conditions or covenants relating to land. X sold his land to B. The sale deed of X to B contained some conditions of use of land. B sold the land to C. Now C is bound by the condition made by X to B, though X is not party to the sale by B to C. Here C is the covenant to land. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.